Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz. I am so excited to share some big news with you. Two pieces of big news, one schedule change. We're going to talk about all of it, but first things first, I have been invited to present at the Stress-Free Card Maker Summit that's coming up in 2 weeks. It is Friday, September 27th and Saturday, September 28th. It is 2 days full of classes that all use 5 supplies or less. I know. And I thought, what would be easier than having a giant emergency card kit full of all kinds. Do you see this? Wait. What? Full of card sketches and sentiments and digital paper and clip art that you can use to make really quick and easy holiday cards. But you have to have a ticket to get the download, okay? So I'm gonna leave at the top of the description box below the video my link to the free ticket. It is an affiliate link, so if you click it, it tells them that I sent you, and hopefully that means they'll invite me back. My class is on Saturday. So each day they release all the classes for the day at, let me double check, 8 a.m. Eastern, so 7 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Pacific? Is that 5 a.m. Pacific? Whoa. But they're there for 24 hours, completely free. So you use your ticket, you log in, and when you get to my class, there's literally just a link that's like, here's the free download, and you click it and it's yours, okay? There are no hoops, nothing. I also have a link there to my website because I'm offering something I have never offered before. You can get all of this. The sentiments, the digital paper, the clip art in resizable image format. They're PNG files so that you can use them in whatever size and way that you want to. And so that is available as well. Along with my class on Saturday, the 28th, I'm also part of their speaker Q&A lineup. So at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 Central, 11 Pacific, there will be a Q&A, and I can talk to you guys about all kinds of things. If there's anything you've been kind of wondering about, I would love to see you there. That would be amazing. Then other big things. So next week, we'll have our regularly scheduled lineup plus a Monday video. So there's Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos next week and 2 kits releasing on Wednesday and Friday. The following week, I was supposed to have a really big announcement for you, but it got pushed back by a week. So I was like, there's going to be 4 days of videos in a row. The following week, the next week, okay? And I'll make you a little graphic, so hopefully it'll be easier to kind of see what I'm talking about. But the week of this event, there are still big things coming up. So on the 24th, that's Tuesday, I want you to look back here for a sales video. I think the warehouse sale for Spellbinders will start that week. I will always try to get a video out for that within 24 hours of it starting to help you get the most for your crafty dollars. You know that that's what I'm here for. That's why I release free printables, is to try to help you stretch your crafty budget. Then I'll have my regular Wednesday and Friday videos that week, just like always. But I'm also hoping, fingers crossed, friends, to launch my membership program. I think I'm using Patreon instead of YouTube memberships. Patreon just seems a little more user-friendly, but people have been asking lots of questions lately about, like, do you have a sentiment for this? Or how about a kit for that? Or I can't find this fun fold and they're describing it for me. And it's hard to find these things sometimes. We have, you guys, there's over 50 kits. I put them all in a spreadsheet and I was like, oh, some of these didn't get a number. So it looks like we're on kit 45, but we're not. We're not, my friends. We're beyond 50 at this point. So membership options will allow you to search for different sketches, search for themes, search, I'm hoping, individual sentiments. So you could actually just look for birthday and then find every birthday sentiment listed, okay? And I want to be able to offer all of these kits as downloadable image files. So you can resize them and you can use them however fits your project best. And so look back, I'm hoping it's going to be that week since My other announcement got delayed a little bit. I've had some extra time to work on that. Look back that week for the launch of the membership program, and lots of fun things to come, okay? So thank you so much, everybody. Don't forget, my link is right at the top of that description box below. Please click my link. Please let them know that I'm promoting this and that I sent you, and I would love to see you there.